Hello, this is Claudia from handmade.ds, and today I'm coming with a different type of video. Because I have all these courses about productivity and I'm a geek about it, I wanted to show you firsthand how I plan my week. So you can see it very easily with my planner. So in the next video, you will see what I recorded on Monday, and you will see how I plan my week very easily with my planner. And then I recorded at the end of the day how it went, which things I needed to change, and you will see the difference between planning and how it actually went. Then this video hopefully is gonna help you plan your weeks without stress, but I've also created a free course which you can join here. I will leave the link somewhere here and on the description too. So feel free to join that course and you will learn my favorite technique to plan all the tasks when you feel overwhelmed. So yeah, that's all I wanted to say for introduction. Now let's go and see how I plan my week.
I want to share with you how I plan this week. And it's an example of when you have a super busy week, you already have meetings and other things scheduled, and you need to fit everything you want to do or you have to do for clients or for your own projects. It's a great example of on how to do it without stressing too much and being realistic. So you will see that some of the techniques I use are very related to the techniques I teach on my productivity system to work from home, which is a course you can join anytime you want. But overall, it's just an example of my reality, and I hope it helps you understand I don't do anything crazy. I work normal hours, but I try to organize everything so that I can do as much as I can without becoming crazy or working too much. So this is the planner I always use, and I'm gonna start with this page here because it's where I have been taking note of what I will do this week. So the first thing I did was a list of to-do things. These are the things that I need to do this week, and some of them are client work, some others are for my own business, and are things that I committed to do or I need to do. So after creating this list, usually I would add here how much time it will take me to do everything. I did not do it because I don't want to, I want to keep the privacy of each client, so I tried to add as little information, like details on the projects as possible. But yeah, here you have the examples of what I will do. These are the real things I will do this week. And then here I draw very quickly and without design or anything, just the week. So I added the days, and as you can see, Wednesday in this week it's particular because with my boyfriend we decided to take the day off. He needed to take one day for holidays, so we agreed to be this Wednesday. And then on Thursday, I blocked here because I have doctor appointments on the afternoon, so I know that during these times I will not be able to work. Then on Monday, Tuesday, and the other days, I do have calls and meetings with my coaches and other clients, but they are scheduled late, like at 8 at night, so I will not, they don't bother my schedule. But if they would be 10 a.m., I would add them here. So that's the first thing I do. I check my calendar and I add here everything that can be, that has already been booked, basically. Then, taking the time that it will take me to do each one of these things, I try to integrate them into the week. To me, the most ideal thing would have been to finish on Monday. The hardest and the work that I am less motivated, we can see, to do, or the things that will take longer, like for example content creation. It's something I like, but it takes a lot of time, so I would do it on Monday and I would dedicate all the day to do this. But it's not possible because I committed with some clients that they will have some things done by the beginning of the week, so I need to do client work first. What I did is, since this project it's super long and I know it's going to take me many hours, I just schedule a day for this project and I plan to not do anything else during this day. That way I can concentrate a lot and I can get things done faster and better than if I try to put too many things together. The opposite example would be Monday, which is today actually, and I'm recording this video very quickly, although it's not a content creation day, but I think it's a great example video and I wanted to do it right now since it's the moment I'm doing it. So what I decided to do is, since I have these two wedding projects, which are two things, let me show you like that the video will not be that boring. I have these invitations that I'm doing for some clients. So this, it's something I needed to finish and deliver. So this has been done already before recording the video. And then I am also working on a styled shoot, which is a collaboration between different wedding vendors. It's not a real wedding, but we try to replicate how a wedding would look like, and we take pictures and we like do all the settings. So I'm participating on that during this week and I need to finish it and I need to ship it to the other people so they can take the pictures. And this is what I'm working on. So you can see here the example of the invitation. I'm just hand calligraphied. Then this would be the Répondez s'il vous plaît, but I need to fold it still and add some wax seal. Then I am writing a letter and I was waiting for it to dry. That's why I'm doing the video, and then I will continue writing on the back. And then all these are names for the table, which we will present like this. So they will be folded like this, and then they will be standing on the table like this. So this is another thing that I'm working on and I need to finish it still. So this was planned for today because I still have to finish the menus, which I have them printed here on vellum, but I need to cut it and everything. So this, it's half client, half personal work. So I decided to batch it since it's all related to weddings. These are one of the things that I put on Monday. And then I also added some client work. These are 3 different client works, which I think I can manage to do in a couple of hours each. So I will do them hopefully all today. It's a lot of work for today, but I preferred to squeeze it all together. That way the other days I can concentrate in one thing. The ideal, as I was saying, would be to have one thing every day. So this is gonna be Monday, Tuesday 1 client, then a break, then on Thursday, since I only have the morning and I want to start uploading SVGs on my Etsy store, I will dedicate all the morning to that. And then on Friday I will dedicate it to content creation and behind the scenes projects. So once I do this and then go to the day planner, which the page looks like this. If you are in my class, the productivity system to work from home, you will see that I use this planner but with another design because that was the old design. This is the new version. It's almost the same. At the beginning it took me a while to understand the new layout, but it's almost the same. So in this planner they ask you to, well, you can select which day is it, and then you add notes of the day, then you tell what are you grateful for, the goal from today, which it's in Catalan, but in English this would mean to finish all the small tasks so that I can feel more relaxed the rest of the week. And that's my goal today. And then here I write the focus things and I plan how much time it will take me. Then it makes you ask yourself, what will make today great? And I decided that I needed to go little by little, focus on one thing at a time, and use the Pomodoros, which is a technique I also teach on that class I'm talking to you about. And yeah, then here on the right column, you can start typing, writing everything you plan to do. So there are 2 hours dedicated to weddings, and then I don't want to fill them all together. Here I have a meeting with my coach, so I don't want to fill them all at once, because usually what happens is you plan that this will take 2 hours and it ends up taking 3. So if I have planned too many things without breaks, it will really not help me. So I decided to start with this. I think it's going to take me a little bit longer, and then since I'm recording also this video, then later I will probably do one client work, then after lunch I will do the other 2. So this is how I plan. And yeah, I think that's all I wanted to share with you. Okay, so the day has finished and I just wanted to show you how it really went. So the weddings took much longer. You can see here how long it took me, because I had to go also to send the packages, and well, the wax seal, it took much longer than I expected, so everything took much more than I was planning to dedicate, and that left me with not enough time to do all the client's work. So there is one of the clients I have to do tomorrow, but at the end of the day I feel like happy because I finished this wedding's work, and there is only one more client work to work on. So this is the end of the video. I want to remind you that there is a free course which you can join called Effective and Easy Weekly Planning. You will learn there my favorite way to plan tasks, which you don't even need a planner for those. And it's free to join, so you will find the link here. Please let me know now on the comments if this was helpful, if you like this type of video. Give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you want to stay tuned. So I'll see you around.